Hey boys and girls, today I want to welcome you to the nuts and bolts of chemistry. So we are going to just do some really quick data taking here, and then I want you all to tell me a little bit about what's happening. So we have 6 different film canisters right in front of me. The front ones have stuff inside of them. The back ones have nothing, okay? So we're going to weigh, there's a pink tape, there's a yellow dot, and there's a blue dot. Now the difference between the yellow dot with something and the yellow dot without something is just that the yellow dot has something in it, or one of them has something in it, the other one has nothing in it. But it's the same type of canister. So here we go. It is the purple one, or the pink one with stuff in it. I'm going to put that on the scale. And we get 11.8392, and then the one without anything in it, we get 6.1570. So now we're going to go to the yellow dot with stuff in it. Yellow dot with stuff in it is 16.5487. Yellow dot with nothing in it is 6.1004. Blue dot with stuff in it is 9.0760. And the blue dot with nothing in it is 6.1245. Okay, so why do we call this the nuts and bolts of chemistry? Because the stuff inside of there's a couple things we want to tell you about it at first. First, there are the same number of particles in the ones that have something in them. The second is there are 3 different items: nuts, bolts, and washers. And the last thing that we need to tell you is you need to tell us something about how these all relate to one another. Okay, there's a nuts and bolts worksheet that goes along with this. Fill out the data table and get ready to work on some other stuff. But there's probably one more point that you really want to know. And that one more point that you really want to know is I have one single solitary washer right here. Okay? I'm going to put that single solitary washer on the scale. And a single solitary washer weighs 0.5985. So now I can even ask you an additional question. Not only how do those weights compare to one another, but in the one that has washers in it, how many washers are inside of that container? And how do you know? What are you going to do to try to figure all that out? So, ladies and gents, boys and girls, watch this video, fill out that data sheet, be ready to Jamboard next class. See ya.